I like the idea of cooking on silver because silver as a metal is supposed to be beneficial health-wise for you. I noticed I cleaned this up nicely. I sort of think, although it seems good in principle, the actual cooking on silver is quite tricky. It's tricky, you can see I've already scratched it. It was scratched before and I've scratched it further. I think it's just too soft a metal to really cook on easily. I'm going to clean it, and also I can't scrub that now because it just gets scratched, so I'm going to have to use electrolysis to clean it. But I'll put up a video after I've cleaned it to show you what the difference is, because it does look good when it is clean. To clean off the this silver saucepan, I'm using one of these electrolysis plates, which you put in the bottom of the sink, and then just use some soda crystals, and then you've got to make sure it's in contact with it, and you can see all those bubbles going off there. And when I lift it off, you'll sort of you'll see that already it's got a lot shinier. How's the copper doing? It sort of pulls off the. You can sort of start to see that there. You've got to get the water very hot. The little metal plate is at the bottom, and you can sort of see the bubbles rising as it pulls the dirt off it.